Friends, how was your luck today?
It was good and then it was bad. You had fun.
And Lou, what about you?
No,
was
no.
it- how
So
was your
I
luck?
can say it was good and it was good.
So today is my first day in Johannesburg. This place reminds me a mini Toronto of Canada. And sorry guys, this vlog is delayed vlog. It was shot before, but I'm uploading now. So coming back to the point, my first impression about Johannesburg is a cosmopolitan lifestyle, lots of energy, and people have a passion. I feel Johannesburg is like a stage where dreams can come true, but still, I will spend some days so I can understand even better. Now I'm heading to Monte Cassino. I've heard this casino is designed like an Italian village. Let's have a look.
Hi guys, I'm at the Monte Casino right now. It's the biggest casino of the Johannesburg, and this whole section which you are seeing, it's a part of casino, and unfortunately you cannot take any kinds of videos and photos in casino. So I won't be able to make any vlogs, but yes, this is the house section. I'm shooting the vlog, and it looks like they have designed this casino on the like Italian structure, and the vibes are so good. People are wearing a mask, as I am also wearing a mask, and walking around, and I will keep giving you updates on how it looks like, and let's have a one small tour about the Monte Casino. Thank you. So this is the place. We have just finished eating a food, and I will show you how this restaurant also looks like from inside. And there are many small shops to buy gifts and the clothes and everything. And let's have a small tour. My wife is also with me.
Hello.
So as you can see, that's the section where now, because of the COVID situation, you need the physical ID, which I wasn't carrying. So unfortunately I cannot go inside. So the people are coming and enjoying a time over here. There are many restaurants over here, the bar here, over here. Before the COVID situation, this place used to be open 24/7, but now I think it's open till 12 o'clock, and some restaurants inside will close by 10 or 11. See the beauty of this mall. You just feel like you are not in any part of building. You are just outside somewhere, I think Italy. The time now, it's right now almost 7:30 p.m. evening, and the way they have designed this casino, as I told you, it looks like an Italian city, and the sea, it's not the actual sky. This is how they've designed the lights and everything. So anytime, even at the midnight, if you see over here, you will feel like a real cloudy sky. Hello guys, so we are still in the Monte Casino and there is a one gelato store over here named with Baglios. So we are going inside and we will be seeing the variety of the stuff over here. So as you can see, there are a variety of the gelatos over here. So we'll click on the one by one the flavor over here. So this is the normal menu.
Is it like Nutella? No chocolate. No chocolate. Sorry.
So right now here with me is Tokaloke. Yeah, how are you?
I'm good, and you, sir?
I'm good.
This one is vanilla,
Okay,
and this one is caramel,
okay,
tiramisu, coffee liquor,
okay,
that's banana,
okay,
rum and raisin,
okay,
pistachio, green nuts,
okay,
mint, and then frozen yogurt, fruits of forest, coconut, and then these two are sorbets, lemon and strawberry, strawberry cream, black cherry ice cream, normal hazelnut, and coffee, chocolate, which is doppio, and then there's chocolate. This one is chocolate, and plain chocolate.
okay. What kind of flavor people ask for more over here? Do you have any specific flavor over here?
Yes.
Which one would you like to show?
There's plain chocolate.
Yeah,
That's a favorite. Hazelnut,
yeah,
lemon, and pistachio.
okay,
That's the most flavor.
okay.
Most one.
Which one is the diet-free gelato?
We have two. So we called it sorbets, lemon and strawberry.
Okay,
They are fat free.
okay. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you.
So we just finished with the Monte Casino. And Lawrence, how was your luck today?
It was good and then it was bad.
So initially it was good, then
Yeah.
it became bad.
Yeah, but we had fun.
And Lou, what about you? How
No,
was
no.
it- how
So
was your
I
luck?
can say it was good and it was good.
Okay.
Thanks for watching my vlog. There are many mistakes as this is my first time, but I hope you guys like and share and subscribe to my channel to motivate me so I can improve even better. That's it all for today. Thank you guys.